Joke lang yun.
Ibi-bleep ko yan. Bleep, cut, cut. Kukunin ko na. You know what? This is not planned, guys. The people at the site.
Hey, I'm Engineer Angel. I'm Son.
Project Manager Jotham.
Hi po, Admin Warren.
Hello po, Engineer Lawrence.
I'm here with Sir Nino. He's our safety officer. So Mom Sol was originally in our Manila site, but she has now teleported here to Calamba. Kamusta naman?
Okay naman, ma'am. Hinahanap ko po yung toxic. Joke lang yun.
Ibi-bleep ko yan. Bleep, cut, cut. Alright, so we're geared up and ready to explore the site. Let's go, Mom Sol.
Yes, let's go.
Here is a quick overview of our Calamba site. As you can see, we're still in the beginning phases, and for those who are curious, this is going to be an 8,300 square meter factory.
Sa totoo lang, guys, this is my first time visiting this site, and there are like a lot of holes. This is our expert, but apparently she's only been here for 1 week. Kamusta naman ang first week mo?
Nice naman. Naka 18 footing na kaming pouring.
Wow! Is that a lot?
Wag ka. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I know you know what this is. You got this, girl.
Saan?
You have a vlogging personality. Do you not vlog?
No, ma'am. Kung alam ko lang, ma'am, edi sana tinuloy ko rin pagkabaliw ko. Nilagay ko na sa vlog.
This is dangerous. I could have easily hit that while I wasn't looking. Where's our safety officer?
Ma'am, so, please rectify this. So, ito yung example ng lane concreting na na-pour na. Before siya maging ganyan, gravel beddings muna siya, which is yung pinakita natin kanina.
Girl, you're so good. Damn, dude. Kukunin ko na. You know what? Okay, so if ever you decide you don't want to be an engineer now, feel free to join my marketing team. Oh, the boys are back. The boys.
Video ma'am, boys. Ma'am, video
The boys. Like a model, guys. Walk it like a model.
Gravel walk ang ano.
Gravel walk. There's some of them look bigger than the others.
Yes,
Oh, I almost
ma'am.
died talaga.
Iba-iba yung size ng footing natin. Pinaka-largest natin is 3.6 meter.
She's so good. She's so good.
Gusto mo ba bumaba, ma'am?
Pwede.
Huli ko yung metro ko.
Pwede. Bababa ako.
Sige, mababang sugat lang to.
Ano, kamusta? Is it safer?
This is what you call body system.
I don't like this buddy system.
Baka mabash tayo dito. Milwaukee. Mura lang yan. Buy na. It's 60. So, tama siya, guys. So, good job, workers. Starter column ang bubuhusan sa Saturday. Imagine, guys, 15 na starter column kasabay ng 18 footing sa Sabado. So, let's go.
It's softer than it looks. So, what time is it? 1? No way. I have to go. Hi guys, so my dad picked me up from the site. What's up? You met our Calamba team. Soon I'm gonna show you guys the Manila team. We're gonna show you all of the progress that's happened. I'm at home. The audio sucks. The video sucks. What you gonna do about it? I left all my gear back at the office. So I'm editing at home and I realized that I kind of forgot to say goodbye. So thank you guys so much for watching, and this has been brought to you by GLI for you.